What is up, everybody? This is Lenny coming back at you from our little sine wave garage with another item from our deal of the week. Here with me now, we've got the AK-4 Mini A&L. This is the CCA kit, 4-gauge kit from American Base, featuring a mini A&L fuse holder, high standard flexible speaker wire included with the kit, high current water resistant gold A&L fuse holder, best quality double twisted RCA cables, so it comes with cables, PVC sheath, all that good stuff. Now this is actually, even with everything you get in this has a retail cost of about $50 plus shipping, or $50 we'll just say, because usually I hook you guys up. But yeah, for even a $50 CCA 4-gauge kit, this little sucker is pretty sweet. So again, what you're getting here is you're getting 17 feet of power, 3 feet of ground, pretty standard. But you're also getting 25 feet of 16-gauge speaker wire with it, as well as the RCA cables. 100 amp fuse, and then all your ring terminals and all that good stuff. Of course, they try to, help you out for layman's terms and give you a little wiring instructions here. If you don't know what you're doing, you probably should just take it to, if you need to refer to this, just call me instead, and I'll hook you up with a sweet price on installation. But here, you just open this bad boy up, and here's all your goodies. You got your fuse holder. Set that all aside. Here you got your fuse holder. Again, not too shabby. You got all your necessary ring terminals included. So, sometimes they'll say all necessary hardware included, but it's not always the case. So here, you're getting literally everything, and it looks like they may have even included an extra ring terminal just in case you goof up. So that's pretty sweet. Actually, not too bad RCA cables. Here you got your wire loom included. Looks like about 6+ feet of wire loom. Everything comes nicely packed with some zip ties, some 4-corner zip ties to keep everything secure and presented nice through shipping. Undo these bad boys here, and we'll kind of break this kit open for y'all so you can see what it looks like. Black speaker wire even, so it's not even the cheesy stuff, and it even says American Base right on it if my camera will zoom in there. So you got some good quality cable, RCA cable. You got some nice speaker cable here for wiring up your subs. 4-gauge. 1666 strand Megaflex cable, so it's easy. Oh, and look, it already even comes with a terminal crimped on there. So you're actually getting a couple extra ring terminals in the kit. You got your remote turn-on cable. So yeah, I mean, pretty much everything you need to get that 800 to 1000 watt amplifier installed from American Base for right around $50 retail. So a pretty nice kit. Again, this is one of the products being featured on our deal of the week right now. So check out the Sine Wave Connection Colorado on Facebook and see what that's all about. And then stay tuned for this snappy little custom box we're finishing up here too in the background. But anyways, guys, that is the American Base AK-4 Mini A&L kit. Thank you for checking out the unboxing. See you next time.